Hey everyone, welcome to Say It Real.
Where we believe fluency starts with real conversations, just like this one.
Hey, welcome back to Say It Real, the podcast where real conversations help you build real fluency. So happy you're here with us today.
And I am genuinely excited about today's topic, like actually excited, because we're talking about one tiny little word that changes everything.
One word? That's it?
One word. And I promise, by the end of this episode, you are going to use it differently. You are going to hear it differently, and your English is going to feel so much more natural because of it.
Okay, now I'm really curious. What word are we talking about?
Been. B-E-E-N. Been.
Oh, yes, this one.
This one. And I know what some listeners might be thinking right now. Been? Really? I already know been. But here's the thing. Knowing a word and truly feeling it in a real conversation are two completely different experiences.
So true. A lot of learners have seen been in their textbooks. They've studied the grammar rules. They can fill in the blanks on a worksheet. But then they're in a real conversation. Someone says, "How have you been?" And suddenly they freeze.
That pause, that moment of, wait, how do I answer this naturally? We hear this from so many learners, and it's so understandable.
And it's not because they're not smart or not working hard enough. It's because nobody showed them the feeling behind the word. Once you feel it, everything clicks. It becomes natural. It becomes yours.
So today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go through the most important uses of been, give you real examples, walk you through the most common mistakes, and by the end, you'll be ready to use it confidently in your very next English conversation.
You can also shadow us as we go. Repeat what we say right after we say it. It's one of the best ways to train your speaking and get the rhythm of English into your body.
And before we go any further, if you enjoy learning English through real conversations like this one, please subscribe to Say It Real. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. It genuinely means so much to us, and it helps more learners find the podcast. Okay, let's get into it.
So let's start with the most foundational use of been, talking about places you have visited.
Yes, this is where most learners first meet been. The structure is, I have been to plus the place. I have been to Japan. I have been to Brazil. I have been to that little bakery around the corner.
And the key feeling here, the thing that makes been the right word, is that you went and you came back. You are here now telling me about it. The experience is complete. You return.
And this is where a really important distinction lives, because there's another word that sounds similar, gone. And the two get mixed up more than you might think.
Let's make it crystal clear. I have been to Japan, you visited Japan, you experienced it, and you came back home. You're standing right here telling me about it.
I have gone to Japan, you went to Japan, and you are still there. You haven't come back yet. You're literally in Japan as we speak.
So been is a round trip, gone is still in progress.
Exactly. If your friend is traveling right now and hasn't returned, she has gone to Portugal. If she visited last summer and came home, she has been to Portugal. The difference matters, and it can genuinely confuse people if you get it wrong.
Let's practice some examples together. Repeat these out loud if you can.
I have been to Italy 3 times, and I want to go back so badly.
Have you ever been to South Korea? The food is absolutely incredible.
We have been to that new restaurant downtown. You have to try it.
I have never been to Africa, but it's at the top of my list.
She has been to almost every country in Europe.
Did you notice the word ever in that question? Have you ever been to South Korea? Ever is one of those small words that makes a question feel natural and genuinely curious. It's asking about your whole life, not just recently, but any time, ever. It opens the question up and gives it warmth.
And the negative form is just as useful. I have not been to Australia yet. I'm saving it. I have never been to a live outdoor concert. They have never been to a theme park, which honestly feels like something we need to fix immediately.
We are going to personally escort them to a theme park.
Right away. Now, let's move to something that I think is where been really comes alive, using it in greetings, because this is the heart of everyday English conversation.
Yes, when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while, a close friend, a colleague, a family member, you don't just say, "How are you?" You say, "How have you been?"
And that question has such a warm, genuine feeling to it. It's not asking about this exact second, it's asking about the whole stretch of time since you last saw each other. How has your life been? What's happened? How are you really doing?
It's a question that says, "I've been thinking about you. I care. Tell me something real."
And answering it naturally is something a lot of learners find surprisingly hard because the instinct is to say, I'm fine, which is technically okay, but emotionally a little closed, a little flat.
Like you're answering a form rather than talking to a person you actually like.
Exactly that. So here are some natural answers. Repeat them. Really feel the words as you say them.
I've been really good, actually. Things have been going well lately.
I've been a bit busy, honestly, but the good kind of busy.
I've been okay. A little tired, but getting through it.
I've been great. I just started something new and I'm really excited about it.
I've been, up and down. It's been a lot lately.
Notice how each answer gives a little bit more than just a word, a small detail, a tiny window into your real life. That's what makes it human. Not just a response, but a moment of genuine connection with another person.
And there's a follow-up question that's equally important. What have you been up to? It means, what have you been doing lately? What's been happening in your world?
I love that phrase. What have you been up to? It's so relaxed and friendly, like you're settling into a real conversation.
And you can answer so naturally. I've been working on a new project at work. It's been intense. I've been trying to learn how to cook. Emphasis on trying. I've been spending more time outside recently. It's really helped. Not much, honestly, just taking things slow. It's been nice.
Every one of those answers feels like a real person talking. That's what we're building.
Now, let's go deeper because been doesn't just describe places and greetings. It describes states, feelings, conditions, and this is where it becomes genuinely powerful.
A state is how you are. Tired, happy, stressed, sick, busy, worried, excited, grateful. And when you use been to describe a state, you're saying, this started in the past, and it's still true right now. It's ongoing. It's still alive.
Compare these two sentences really carefully. Feel the difference.
I was tired yesterday.
I have been tired all week.
The first one, I was tired yesterday, is finished. Yesterday is over. The tiredness belongs to the past.
The second one, I have been tired all week, is connected to this moment. Monday was hard. Tuesday was hard. Wednesday was hard. And right now, today, I am still exhausted. The feeling stretches from the past all the way into this exact moment.
That difference is everything. Was is a closed door. Have been is an open door. Still happening, still present, still real.
And once you feel that difference, you start hearing it everywhere.
I have been so stressed about something at work lately. I can't stop thinking about it.
It has been so cold this week. I genuinely miss the sun.
She has been really quiet since the argument. I'm worried about her.
I have been feeling a bit off recently. Not sick exactly, just not quite myself.
The children have been absolutely impossible this week. Bless their hearts.
Bless their hearts indeed.
And notice those little time words that keep appearing. Lately, recently, all week, since, this week. Those words are signals. They're quietly telling you this isn't just history. This is still present, still relevant, still affecting me right now.
And the negative form is equally expressive and equally important. I haven't been sleeping well lately. She hasn't been herself since she got that news. We haven't been eating properly. Too much takeaway, not enough vegetables. He hasn't been answering my messages, and I honestly don't know why.
Each of those sentences carries a feeling. Concern, worry, guilt, longing. That's been doing its real job. Not just grammar, but emotion.
And here's something beautiful about been that doesn't get talked about enough. It actually makes you sound more thoughtful, more emotionally present, more like someone worth talking to.
Say more about that.
Okay, imagine you haven't texted your friend for 3 days. You finally reply. You could say, sorry, I was busy. That's fine, it's accurate. But it sounds like you're closing a door, moving on, not particularly sorry.
You could also say, sorry I've been so quiet. I've been dealing with a lot this week. I've been meaning to reach out.
That second version has real warmth in it. It says, I didn't forget you. Life just got heavy for a moment, and you've been on my mind.
That is such a real and important difference. Same basic information, you were busy, but completely different emotional impact.
I've been meaning to is such a powerful little phrase. It means you intended to do something, you genuinely wanted to do it, but it just hasn't happened yet. It's honest without being cold.
I've been meaning to call you. I've been meaning to send that email. I've been meaning to start exercising, and every single Monday I mean it a little more than the last.
Every Monday without fail.
Every Monday. Full of hope, full of lies, but full of hope.
Okay, let's talk about mistakes, because everyone makes them, and that is completely fine. Mistakes are not failures, they're information. But understanding the most common ones will help you move through them faster.
Mistake 1. Forgetting to after been when talking about places. It's, I have been to Japan, not I have been Japan. The to is essential. Without it, the sentence simply doesn't work.
I have been to London. Have you ever been to New York? They've been to almost every country in Asia. Always been to for places. Never drop that little word.
Mistake 2. Using simple past when the situation is still present. If someone asks why you look exhausted and you say, I was working all night, that technically works, but it sounds like it's over. Like you slept and recovered and you're completely fine now.
I have been working all night tells them, I'm still in it. I can still feel it. Right now, at this moment, I am suffering. That's the version you want.
Mistake 3. Mixing up been and gone. Been means you went and came back. Gone means you went and you're still there. If your friend is currently in Tokyo, she has gone to Tokyo. If she visited last year and came home, she has been to Tokyo. The situations are genuinely different. Don't mix them.
Mistake 4. Using have been when simple past is correct. Been is powerful, but it's not for everything. If something happened once at a specific finished time, use simple past.
I went to the beach yesterday, not I have been to the beach yesterday. The word yesterday tells you it's finished. Specific, complete, over. Simple past is your friend in those moments.
And mistake 5, dropping the have entirely. In spoken English, we blend I have into I've, but the have is still there doing its job. I've been busy, I've been studying, I've been thinking about you. You need that contraction. Don't drop it completely, or the sentence loses its meaning.
Let's hear everything working together in a real conversation now, because this is where the magic happens.
Two friends who haven't seen each other in about a month.
Oh my goodness, hey, it is so good to see you. How have you been?
I've been good, really good actually. Busy, but the kind of busy that feels purposeful, you know? How about you? You look a little tired if I'm honest.
Yeah, I've been exhausted lately. I haven't been sleeping well, and work has just been a lot this month.
I'm really sorry. What's been going on?
I've been working on this huge project for weeks. I've been staying late almost every night. I think I'm nearly done, though. I can almost see the end.
That sounds really tough. Have you been taking any time for yourself at all?
Not really. I've been meaning to go for morning walks, but I just haven't managed it yet. Maybe next week.
I completely understand that feeling. Hey, have you been to that new cafe that opened near your office?
No, I've been curious about it actually. But I haven't been there yet. Is it worth it?
I've been there twice already, and honestly, the coffee is some of the best I've had in a long time. We should absolutely go together once your project is finished.
I would love that so much. I've been craving a proper catch-up. This has been way too long.
Way too long. Let's make a real plan this time, and please get some rest.
I will. I really will. Thank you for checking in on me. It genuinely means a lot.
Did you feel that? That whole conversation was full of been, and not one moment felt forced or unnatural. It felt warm. It felt real. It felt like two people who actually care about each other.
We used how have you been as a real greeting. We used I've been exhausted to describe an ongoing state. We used I've been meaning to as a gentle, honest explanation. We used have you been to for the cafe, and we used this has been too long to describe the whole period they were apart.
All of that emotional color from one little word.
One incredible little word. Okay, let's do a quick tour of everything we covered today, just to lock it all in.
Been to for places you visited and returned from. I've been to some extraordinary places. Have you ever been somewhere that completely changed how you see the world?
How have you been? The real greeting that goes deeper than how are you. Use it this week with someone you haven't seen in a while. See what happens.
I have been plus adjective for ongoing states and feelings. I've been happy. I've been worried. I've been so grateful for small things lately.
I have been plus verbing for ongoing actions. I've been studying. I've been working really hard. I've been thinking about this conversation all day.
I've been meaning to for things you intended but haven't done yet. I've been meaning to tell you something. I've been meaning to start that book for 3 months now.
Have you ever been to for asking about life experience with genuine curiosity? Have you ever been to a place that felt immediately like home? Have you ever been so happy you didn't quite know what to do with yourself?
Haven't been for the honest negative. I haven't been myself lately. I haven't been to that part of the city yet, but I really want to.
Those are your tools. Simple, powerful, and deeply human.
And here's your challenge for this week. Use been in one real conversation. Tell someone how you've been. Ask a friend what they've been up to. Explain something you've been working on or feeling lately. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be real.
Because that is exactly how fluency grows. Not from perfect sentences in a quiet room, from real words in real moments with real people who matter to you.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Say It Real. Give us a like and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Every subscribe, every like, every bell tap helps us reach more learners just like you. It genuinely makes a difference.
Thank you so much for being here. This is Skye and Nate from Say It Real. Fluency starts with real conversations, and yours just got a little richer. We'll see you in the next one.